Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Matt with Greenbar Trading here. We saw a lot of stocks this morning popping up on the pre-market scanner. You can see right here, 3 stocks up well over 100%. That will get a lot of attention going in the early trading. So a lot of platforms will open around 7 a.m. and a lot of traders will start trading at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And when they open a scanner and they see a lot of these, micro cap, low float stocks, showing up there over 100%, that's going to get a lot of energy going for the early trade. So we saw TVIO didn't care about any of these catalysts, by the way. These top three that were up over 100%, not interested in the catalysts, but did make a little bit of money once it opened at 7, just taking advantage of that FOMO, seeing something up so much, getting in and out real quick for not a lot of money, but $17 more than I had before. And then GLMD, this one pops up on the pre-market scanner and it's up 47% right now. It's a higher price stock, but the moves that it's giving are very nice. Pretty clean moves also. So again, small account, 2 trades, less than $1,700 worth of capital needed for these trades. Made $30 this morning. Not too bad, but I did want to go over this GLMD because this one was a huge mover on Tuesday, going from $5 up to $23. So again, having this one pop up with news at 7 a.m., phase 2, phase 3 studies, a cancer biotech company, you knew there would be a lot of attention, right? People that may have missed this big move. Now, this move here, it was a huge move during the day, a lot of volume, but it did give that move all the way back. Okay. So that's where we started out this morning. Usually, when a stock gives a move like this and then comes all the way back, it's not the best situation. You do like to see it hold a little bit. But since it did go from in the 3s to 23, that's quite all right. It did still hold up a little bit better than the days before that. But again, what do I love about this GLMD? If we go over to Yahoo, we could take a look at the float. Look at that float. That float is 513,000 shares. That is so small, so low of a float. I mean, you look at the volume being done here. You're at over 2 million, almost 3 million shares of volume already at 7:40 in the morning, and the float is only 500,000. So you've already rotated through all of that. You do like to see a very low float when you have high demand, very small supply. You can see some massive moves like we saw on Tuesday with this stock. So again, these are very nice moves. Clean. So if we look at this on the 5-minute here, I could have traded this better. 100% could have traded it better. But look at this pullback here on the 5-minute, right? Pulls back, regains VWAP, and then there's the first 5-minute candle to make a new high, followed by this other one for that breakout of that $10 a share move. And this was a really good setup right here. And you can see high volume on that setup. So that was your setup to take on GLMD, at least right now. Now, when I'm trading a stock in the morning, right? So pre-market for me is going to be from 7 to 9:30. From 7 to about 7:30, that's when the good moves are made. From 7:30 on until it gets its next wave of trading is usually a little bit choppy. So if I am trading it, I usually like to be in and out before 7:30 and getting in on that initial move. All right, getting in on the initial move, is really critical for me. That's what I've found works for me. Now this is 740 and it's still making some big moves. So it's just what I've noticed in the past and what I like to do. So I did jump in it maybe a little bit early, could have waited for that first 5 minute setup, but you have to realize this thing was moving really fast, right? Opens at sixes here. In a couple of minutes, it's all the way up to almost 10. So, trying to jump in and get out for a small profit. Again, very small profit, but, going to work soon, 30 bucks in my pocket and making a video, maybe trying to give some information for you guys is helpful. These three still up over 100%. GLMD still doing its thing. You have Vero here. This tried to move. I was watching this one at about 7 o'clock. It did give a decent move, got rejected here by VWAP. So this is the break of VWAP candle here. You would have liked it for the pullback and then that continuation, especially going into that 715 candle on the 5 minute chart. You didn't get that, and that's now rolling over. So this one's kind of dead for now. We'll see what happens when the market opens. But that's it. So you have these three, got the momentum going, got day traders excited, and then GLMD popped up into the picture, and you can see what is going on here with that stock. All right, gave a lot of opportunity here. I hope you guys did well with this. Leave something in the comments section. Let me know how you traded it, if you traded it, and thanks for watching. Take care, guys.